Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And what we're going to be doing today, we are going to be adding fractions with the same denominator. So first of all, do you know what's a denominator? Well, if you don't know, I'm going to tell you now. So the denominator when we're doing fractions is the number below. So let's look at a fraction here, right? Let's say the fraction is 4 over 7. In this case here, the denominator will be the 7 and the numerator will be the 4. Correct. So whenever in this video or any other video or any fractions question that you do and you see the word denominator, you will automatically know that the denominator is the number below and the numerator is the number. So let's get into it. So this video we're going to be adding fractions with the same denominator. So now let's look at this, right? Let's say that the fraction that we have, we're going to go with the same thing here, 4 over 7, and we have to add that 4 over 7 plus 2 over 7. All right, so how do we do this? Do we say that 4 plus 2 is 6 and 7 plus 7 is 14? So we will have, what would that be? 4 plus 2 is 6, so we'll have what? 6 over 14. How much people think that this is the correct thing to do? This is not it here, right? So when we add in fractions with the same denominator, this is how it does go. The first thing that we need to do, we have a couple of steps to follow. The first thing that we need to do, watch the question. We need to check and see if the denominator is the same. The denominator is the number below, right? So it has 7 plus 7, the denominator is the same. So what we're going to do with that now, we're just going to put it back right here one time. Before we do anything, once the number is the same, the denominator is the same, we put it here one time, 7. And then now we look at the numbers on top. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. Come on. So the answer would be 6 over 7. So when the denominators are the same, you keep the denominator and you add the numerators. Alright? Let me give you one more example. Let's get 2 more examples. And then I will give you some additional work to do if you want the practice. Alright? So now, let's just say it was something like this. 8 over 11 plus 2 over 11. Okay, so what do? We watch it. It had the same denominator. Yeah, so we put back 11 here one time. So that's 11 over, and then we say 8 plus 2 is how much? 10. So the answer is 10 over 11. As I said, if the denominators are the same, what we need to do, we need to keep the denominator and just add the numerators, alright? But so, if it's a case where the answer is something, the question is something like this, right? Let me just say you have a question like this, and the question is 1 over 6 plus 2 over 6. Right? Let me see, is this now? We do what we just normally do, and put back the 6 over here. And then we say 1 plus 2 is 3. So it's 3 over 6. But now, if you put this 3 over 6 as your answer, if it's like 2 marks, you only get 1 mark. And let me tell you why. Because when you come down here now, when you look at the 3 over 6, so this right here could reduce, meaning the 3 and the 6 could divide into each other. You see the people who make up fractions, they don't like big numbers at all. So if you can make the number small, they will be happy. So let me just look at this, right? So if you look at the 3 and the 6, both of these numbers here could be divided into 3 and not have any remainder. You see the people who make the fractions, they would be so happy if you decide, instead of giving them 3 over 6, you divide the both numbers by 3. So you're saying 3 divided by 3 is 1, and then 3 divided by 6. So instead of 3 over 6, you're going to put 1 over 2. And this answer here is what will get you the 2 marks. Alright? So, I need you to remember this. I need you to remember a couple of things. When we're dealing with fractions, the first thing, we need to check and see if they have the same denominator. If they have the same denominator, we just play it back one time. And then now, also when we finish add and we reach to this part here, we need to watch and see if the numbers could divide, if the 2 numbers could divide by anything and have the same remainder. If it can, then make sure and do it, because the people who make fractions, they don't like big numbers at all. The smaller the numbers could be, the happier they are. So in the case of like this 3 over 6 here, if we come and we say, we look at the 3 over 6, can we do all these steps, same denominator, 2 plus 1 is 3, cool. And then now we reach here and we say, well, okay, I know my 3 timetables, and I know 1 3 is 3 and 2 3s are 6. Both of them could divide into 3 comfortable. We make sure and do that. So we say 3 divided by 3 is 1, 3 divided by 6 is 2. So if this was a 2-mark question, you would have gotten 2 marks for this answer right here. And guys, that'll be all. If you want more practice questions, just go on our website, myesacademy.com, and you will see practice questions for every single topic that we make a video of. I'll put the link to the question on the notes at the bottom of this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Right now we are on our way to 1,000 followers, and let's see how quick we get there. All right, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Peace.